Hi, this is Handy Doctor. Now, you have your basketball, volleyball, football, or whatever ball. They leak air. For most people, they go to trash. However, let me tell you this. Most likely, they leak at the inflation valve, and that can be replaced. So, please save your ball, and save your wallet, and maybe save the earth. So, how to do that? First of all, you want to confirm that it is true it leaks at the inflation valve. Now, you want to inflate your ball first. I already did. Obviously, you need an air pump. Yeah, I have an air pump up here. I already inflated it. And now you want to have some soap water. Shake it up and spray onto it. See what happens. Now you see the bubbles comes up. So yes, it leaks air. So let's wipe it off. I have a piece of paper here that I can wipe it off. And all you need is this inflation valve kit. It has a tool inside and some new parts. And I will show you a link on Amazon that you can buy the same ones. Let's see how good it is. Okay, let's open it up. It actually have instruction behind too, but it's hopefully exactly what I'm going to show you. So here are 10 new valves and the tool. The tool have a hook on one side and then straight on the other. You want to use the hook side first, and as what the instructions say, you want to put some soap onto it to lubricate it. Oh yeah, it took me a while to find it actually. So let's try that. Again, soap water. The hook side first, you want to go into the valve and you want to go all the way into it. Oh wait, you hear something, don't you? And now hopefully you can grab the thing out. Okay. You know what? Let's let it go all the way. It didn't come out. You got to went all the way into it. That doesn't matter, by the way. Oh, I forgot. Put the goggles on just in case it fly out and hit your eyes. I did, by the way. Okay. So now the whole thing go into it. That doesn't matter. Who cares about that? So the next thing you do is that you get a new one and you look. Okay. You want to put the straight end onto it and then just press into it until it sits and seals inside. I don't think it's too easy to just use this tool, but don't give up. I'm going to use a small screwdriver to help it, to see if I can actually squeeze in from the side. So try to push from the side and try to get a little bit into it with this screwdriver. When a little bit got into it, it will become much easier and the whole thing can go into it. As you can see, it wasn't easy with the original tool, but with the screwdriver, it's actually a lot easier. Just push on the side and then it will go in. Now let's give some air to it with the air pump. Now I inflate the ball and let's test it. Put some soap onto it. Look pretty good to me. So, can you fix it? I think the answer is yes. Is the kit good? Pretty good. I think the part's good. The tool doesn't work really that well. However though, like I showed you just now, use a tiny flathead screwdriver and push on the side. It's going to be a lot easier than use this one. And part of the reason is this: when you insert into it, you actually make it bigger, and that would be tough to get into it. So if this procedure fix your ball and save you some money, please make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in another video in the near future. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.